Hey guys, welcome to Frank's Handyman. Today we're going to be looking at part 3 of us putting down this laminated flooring. We already finished the second living room, the entrance, and today we're going to finish the bathroom, and we're also going to finish the second living room, as you're going to see here. As you can see, we're almost done. So a lot of the things that we're going to be doing is just finishing up, doing some small details, as well as putting some trim. As you're going to see now, our colleague's going to start putting down some of the flooring here. They're going to be doing some cuts around the venting. Once they finish putting down the floor, which is going to be eventually till the end, but once they do, they're going to put this trim around. As you can see here, he's just painting it that way. It just looks and it blends in a lot better. But as he does that to all of them, the colleagues are focusing on putting down all the flooring here. He's mainly going to focus on setting down everything here around the chimney and finishing up here. And the other colleague's going to finish up everything in the bathroom. Once he finishes these cuts here, which are the most difficult ones for this part, I would say everything moves a lot faster after he finishes. And you're going to see here in the time lapse that we progress pretty fast. Now that he said this piece, everything went by a lot faster, and he's working here on the bathroom as well, our other colleague, and it took him a little bit just because he had to work backwards on the bathroom side, so it was a little bit more difficult than just setting down the regular stuff. At this point, you can see that there's been a lot of progress. He's working mostly finishing up everything on the left side of the bathroom. He just needs the right side, and our colleague's also working and finishing up these corners here. Now that they're getting towards the end, this is where all the difficult cuts are really going to come in, just because they have to work all around the corners. He got to this point, he just had to put this little corner right here, and all he has left is going to be the right side. And as well, our other colleague has already progressed pretty well. You're going to see right now that he pretty much finished this corner now. All that's really left is this little left side. And as you can see now, the bathroom is almost done. We were just needing a little bit more pieces, so we were going to have to wait for one of our colleagues to bring a little bit more flooring. But once he sets this piece down right here, everything around the toilet at least is already done and cut. As you can see now, everything around the toilet is done, so that was really the most difficult part of this. Now that's left is just that little corner. And now we brought in the vanity and the bathroom. We're not going to connect them. That's something that the plumbing company is going to do separately. We just put everything back inside. That way you could see how it's going to look. And we practically finished everything at this point. Now that he finished the bathroom, he's going to put some of the trim that goes around the kitchen. We're going to be focusing on just finishing this last little corner. At this point, everything is done. You can see the bathroom is already looking really nice. We just have to put the trim around the bathroom, and as well, he's almost putting down this last piece here. And then this is the whole overview of what we got done. You can see the dining room area, the hallway, the kitchen, and as well as living room. This is the main entrance, and this is the second living room here. There's still some little things that we had to finish, but that's for a different day. We have to just come back and put all the trim around. And now you see everything came out looking great. This is the whole overview here of the whole kitchen area, dining room area, and living room. And this is how it came out. Stay tuned for tomorrow. We have something new to watch, so see you tomorrow.